My name is David DeLizer. I'm a professor of music and director of choral activities here at the University of Portland, which means I oversee the 3 choirs that are on campus. I also teach music theory, music composition, scoring and arranging, intro to musical theater, and a few other classes. I think what we have here is a really awesome mix of rigorous academics. You're going to learn the skills you need. A really great performance opportunities, and just the ability to work really closely with the faculty. And it's those relationships that we forge with the students that really kind of make this kind of a special program. You know, you're not one of 300 music majors, right? And when I was at the University of Minnesota, I knew I was never going to sing in this group or play in that group because it was full of graduate students. Performance opportunities from the moment you step on campus, and just the ability to say, okay, what do you want to do? What are you looking to do after graduation? Do you want to get into graduate school? And then we can help tailor that program specifically to what the student wants to do. And so it's that individual attention, it's that flexibility in the programs. It's a great supportive group of musicians, both majors, minors, and non-majors alike. It feels really good. The students get to know each other really well, and really close friendships form. They make really good music together, and they just kind of help lift each other up.